to go back and break down the film of Florida or Oklahoma or Texas? Have one
So of
more
course it's not snowing.
Yeah, of course we would. Yeah, I would love to keep playing, you know, but we don't get to. And in all respect to those teams, they've had great seasons, they're great programs. The BCS system has positioned them to somebody's going to walk away with the crystal ball, and they deserve every bit of that. They're going to be Florida, Ohio,